1, 2. 1, 2. Bon, histoire... le son est encore un peu fort. On va faire comme ça. C'est pas mal. C'est parti pour un jeu auquel j'ai joué il y a longtemps. On va redécouvrir. C'est parti. Let's go. Nouvelle partie. Ah bah, ça, il commence bien le jeu. Pas mal. Franchement, il est plutôt pas mal. J'aime beaucoup le jeu. En espérant que c'est juste un petit bug comme ça, parce que bah ça serait chiant. Allez, on croise les doigts.
收到啦。咩啊？攞多錢？
搞錯，佢帶住咁大把刀嘅。
明白。
情報話目標喺南邊過緊嚟啊。
嗯，清楚。OK，各單位準備，同我睇實佢。
你捉個 Wei Shen 先好啊。
He's early.
I'm not fucking blind.
Relax, old boy. We're on the same side, remember?
條友都幾串喎。喂，有冇貨
Yeah, you got the money?
喂，情況有變，
咩啊？
有個碼頭警衛，佢由後面上緊嚟啊！
揾人截住佢啦！
冇可能，我哋呢度太遠啦，路。
細路唔好亂嚟啊！
Look, I can get you 3-4 keys a week if you want.
睇下點？
What? My shit's not good enough for you?
喂，究竟發生咩事啊？
咩啊？邊撚個啊你？
停手，咪喐！
Come, my friend. Just
Are you crazy? No, don't.
maybe we can sort something out, huh?
你兇我啊！你知唔知我係邊個啊？
所有伙計唔好俾佢走得啦！截住佢！
好傷害我啊 ！Fucking hell! Don't do it, man! Don't do it!
喺後面人，過嚟嚟啊
Let's go! Let's go!
Par contre, j'ai l'impression que ça n'a pas modifié mes options. Putain, c'est aussi fort que ça? Ouah, c'est fort, hein, quand même. Hein.
What's the next? You see anyone? I think they're after Wu. Crazy fuck. Shit! Run! Run! Stay with me! Come on, hurry up! They're on us! Come on, come on!
Je suis désolée, c'est encore beaucoup trop fort. Je suis en train de me tuer les oreilles.
Keep going!
Vraiment stylé pour l'époque. Oula. Sorry.
警察，咪喐！
Whoa.
我哋而家要拘捕你，
Come on, we can work something out, right?
唔使諗啦，入到監倉裏面慢慢反省啦。而家唔係事必要你講，除非你自己想講，但係你所講嘅嘢可能會用紙同筆記低，即係成為呈堂證供，你明白？
Ça y est. Passer par la case prison.
Hey man, I told you next week，下個禮拜 OK？OK？
點解你同我講埋呢啲
喂
嘢啊？5點
We
咁樣出
shan't.
嚟行啦
It's Jackie from Old Prosperity, man.
Oh shit. Jackie Ma.
Lanaya, it is you. I can't fucking believe it. What are you doing here? When did you get back? Well, wait. Man, you look like shit.
Hey, fuck you. 15 years to do that. We're not kids anymore.
Whatever, man. Ask anyone. Jackie Ma still looks good.
Jackie Ma is still the same old. But good to see you.
What the fuck? They finally deport your ass from the United States?
That was mutual. Time I came home anyway.
Yeah, lock up. Home sweet home. So what they get you on?
Nothing that'll stick.
Ha! Well, don't let them pin any extra shit on you. Fuckers will try, let me tell you. Once they hear you're from Old Prosperity, happens all the time.
Hey, so you still in touch with any of the guys from there?
A few, you know. People kind of go their separate ways, but... You remember Winston? He's moved all the way up to Redpole in the Sun On Ye. I've got a couple of things going with him right now, matter of fact.
Huh. Redpole and the Sun On Ye. Shit, Dog Eyes always said he'd be running that neighborhood.
Oh, Dog Eyes is a Redpole too. And still a total poke guy. He was the one who got Winston in. They were pretty tight back then, but now... Hey, wasn't Dog Eyes hanging with your sister?
It was a long time ago.
Hey, remember when we were kids and you stabbed Dog Eyes with a pen? You totally saved my ass that day. Oh man, I gotta tell Winston that story. He'll fucking love it. Man, Wei fucking Shen in the flesh. I can't believe it.
Jackie Ma.
Looks like I'm out of here.
Hey, Jackie. So look, if you and Winston ever need help with any of that shit you got going on with him...
Of course, man. Look me up when you get out. It'll just be like old times.
Par contre, c'est écrit vachement petit. Donc, voilà. J'espère que vous allez réussir à lire quand même.
It seems that the evidence against you has failed to appear. How do you explain that? You must be a very dangerous man, Wei Shen. That is exactly what we want people to think. I trust that my men weren't too rough on you, officer.
You might ask them the same question, sir. Those guys are out of shape. It paid off, though. I made contact with Jackie Ma. I'm in.
Good work. Use him to get close to Winston Chu. Do whatever it takes. Raymond here will be your handler. You'll report everything through him.
Our intel suggests that Winston is looking for muscle. You need to find a way to make him trust you.
I've done this before.
Not in Hong Kong. American gangs, even Asian ones, don't compare to the triads here. The Sun On Ye is the most powerful gang...
Look, Raymond. Your name's Raymond, right?
Yes.
I grew up with these guys. I know who they are, what they are. All the intel reports in the world won't give you that.
We want the Red Poles, the lieutenants like Winston, all of them. And most of all, the Dragonhead.
Candidly, Wei, previous attempts to get close to him haven't panned out. We don't have much to go on. That's why you're here. I'm hoping that you can bring something more to our investigation.
I understand, sir. Look, the sooner I'm on the street, the sooner I can start.
Raymond will be in touch. Oh, and Wei, Good luck out there.
Respectfully, sir, are you sure about him? He'll be under extreme stress maybe for a very long time. Now, I'm not sure he has the discipline to hold up. According to the file, he has a history of extreme behavior.
Yes, and an astonishing number of convictions.
He obviously blames the Triads for what happened to his family. It could turn into a vendetta.
Raymond, Wei Shen is perfect for this job.
Purée, je savais même plus qu'on était avec la police, moi. Je croyais qu'on était des groupes gangsters.
Wait, Shen? Man, this is going to be great.
Yeah, thanks again, Jackie. I appreciate the intro.
No problem, man. By the way, you know I tried looking you up a few years back, but I couldn't find shit. Do they have internet in America?
I think they're getting it next year.
Guess you were in prison or something. Come on, let's get out of here. Still getting used to being back, huh?
Yeah.
Allez, c'est parti. On a du gameplay, là. Gros gameplay.
So Winston's a red pole now?
All this territory is Winston's. The Dog Eyes is pushing in.
If they're both red poles, shouldn't they be on the same side?
Should be. Dog Eyes always was an asshole. Turns out, he's a greedy asshole, too. One thing, when we get to Winston's, let me do the introductions. They're really distrustful of new faces right now.
It's wild and paranoia.
Sun On Yee had a rat. From what I hear, they didn't let him have a quick death. Made it real slow and painful. Hey, Jill May, how are you, baby?
Jackie, you know my parents don't want you to talk to me.
Your parents don't even know me. Once we get to know each other, they'll love me.
條契弟，我今日就收你哋。校底就認，打就企定。哼，你同我含撚啦！呢度幾撚時輪到你講嘢啊
Hey, you don't talk to her like that.
Get off him. I don't care who you are. Let go of Jackie. I'm gonna fuck you up.
Bagarre. Bagarre. Bagarre générale. Ah, t'inquiète, je connais le principal. Carré. Au calme.
Kidding me? Yeah, all right. Come the fuck on.
Alors attends, faut que je l'empoigne et le mettre contre le... Ok. Mais ils font rien les ennemis là. Ok, on empoigne. Ok. Ah ouais, violent. Violent, violent.
I look nasty. You okay?
Yeah, I'm okay. Bunch of fucking assholes. So, everything's cool? Well, you're welcome anyway.
Come on, Jackie. Let's go see Winston.
Here we are. Winston's mom owns the restaurant.
Whoa! Where the fuck do you think you're going?
Relax, man. This is Wei. Wei Shen. I told you about him, remember?
Fuck! We can't keep track of your bullshit friends, Jackie. No outsider.
He's not an outsider. He's from Old Prosperity. Like us. Hochi all day. Wei's old school, you know? I grew up with the guy.
Old Prosperity, huh? 點解我唔記得你嘅？
La musique qui s'arrête d'un coup.
Jackie said you were looking for people.
Oh, Jackie, okay?
No. You should have seen it, Winston. Wei just beat up like 10 of Dog Eyes guys in the market by himself.
Hi, man.
They attacked us. Seems to me you could use some better help.
你講乜嘢嚇 Winston, I don't like this cocky little fucker. Wait a minute. 等一陣 I do remember you. You had a sister, right? 係咪啊
Yeah, Mimi.
Mimi Shen. I remember her. Hung out with Dog Eyes. No offense. 真係熟到爆㗎 Where's she now?
She's dead.
Sorry. 唔好意思啊 So, 10 guys, huh? You feel this? They're just crazy.
Try capable.
We'll see. Conroy, you know that problem we got in the market? Why don't you take Wei with you? Hey, Jackie, hang back a second. I want to hear more about your friend.
All right. You want to be a tough guy? Let's see if you can handle yourself. Dude, see what he's got.
Great. That's all I fucking need.
Ok, on va encore se battre.
So you're the tough guy that everyone's talking about.
Triangle.
You like that?
Ah, ok.
Hey, you think you can fight?
J'ai capté.
How about that?
I bet you fall at the first punch. Come on, dude.
That all you
Go
got?
easy on him. Think you're hot shit, huh? Let's see what happens when shit gets real.
J'arrive pas à les choper par contre.
You're gonna
Back down?
Ça c'est un peu chiant. Venez. 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Bonne année!
Hey, 你哋搞乜撚嘢啊
Boss, we were just leaving. 走啦吓
And it was just getting interesting, too. Winston, my old friend. So good to see you. How's your family, huh?
What do you want, Dog Eyes?
Oh, Winston, wait. Brother, I just came to talk to you, man. For old time's sake. Let's work something out here, okay? We can share the night market, huh? We're both Song Hong Yi, both grown men. We shouldn't be fighting like children. Hey, who's the new blood?
This way. You remember Mimi Shen? Back when you first started getting girls from Big Smiley?
Oh, Mimi. Oh, yeah. First girl ever sucked my cock. Yeah, so what?
Wei's her brother.
And I was the first guy who ever stabbed you. You remember me now?
Whoa, wait, what the fuck, man? Seriously, Wei? I apologize. I'm really sorry. Your sister blew me.
The night market is mine, Dog Eyes. You got Siwa in the warehouse. That was the deal. So stay the fuck out.
Hey, tell your sister give me a call, huh? I wouldn't mind giving her a mouthful.
He hasn't changed.
Yeah, he is. He used to be my friend. Jackie, you two go to the night market. You make sure people understand that I'm in control, not Dog Eyes. Got it?
Got it, boss. 冇問題.
And you fuck up
Got
anybody
it.
who tries to get in your way. I want to send a fucking message.
Là, c'est parti. Hein.
This'll be easy. No problem. You just have to be strong. That's what people respect. So you mentioned your sister back there.
Amy? Yeah, she OD'd years ago now. I mean, after we moved to the States, she tried to kick that shit butt.
That sucks. She was, you know, really alive.
My mother thought maybe a new city, new country. The hooks weren't deep.
And once you start on that shit, it's hard to stop. For anybody.
Yeah, when she started.
Oh, man. And it was Dog Eyes that got her into it?
Yep. Fucking Dog Eyes.
Là, je peux acheter des choses?
No? You?
Shit, Wade. Winston's the boss, but when we were kids, you were the only person who was
Pousse
nice.
les gens comme ça. C'est marrant.
You're my best friend, man. That means more than a boss, you know? Joey Quan sells pirate DVDs. Let's start with him.
Hey, little brother. We work for Winston.
I understand. How can I help?
Winston runs this place, and if you don't want trouble, you pay him. Period.
Of course.
Period.
No problem. Need anything? Just come ask.
Fallait un autre.
Oh, okay.
C'est par où? Faire le tour?
Come in. See what I got.
Hey, sexy man.
No,
Sexy man.
piss Dog Eyes off. It's
La
something
caméra est
Winston and Dog
dégueulasse
Eyes
par
are gonna
contre.
clash, man. It's going to be epic. Winston versus Dog Eyes.
You wanna do the talking?
We're collecting for Winston.
Winston? Dog Eye said he's in charge here.
We're here to clarify that. What, you want to be the guy we used to clear up the confusion?
I'm not afraid, you guys.
Don't be a tough guy.
Do that. I will pay.
Voilà. C'est bien.
I'm glad I can make
Pay,
you
pay.
some reason.
Take the money. Dog Eye won't be happy.
Dude,
Je crois qu'on me poursuit, non? Ah non.
He'll be fine. He'll just have to
C'est
drink
mon
through a
pote.
straw for a while.
over here. I think this guy's with Dog Eyes.
We work for Winston. We need to discuss business.
Winston? I don't have any business with Winston.
Everyone has business with Winston. You're gonna pay us, you understand?
Go tell Winston to stick a back choy up his ass. Hey, fellas! These troops are moving in on your territory. Come on, guys! Kick his ass! Show him what you made up!
Waouh, WWE.
This isn't good! What kind of protection is this? Beat that punk!
Elle est pas finie. C'est parti.
So did you have a message for Winston?
He's obviously better than Dog Eyes. Please give him this payment from me.
I think we're almost done, but let's check over there. Hey, look at that guy. He's beating up that
Jauge
old
ne
man.
se régénère qu'à moitié. Acheter de la nourriture et des boissons pour la remplir. Ok.
有冇攞籌啊？
Brèche.
You don't fuck with anyone under our protection.
Allez hop. Ça, c'est fait.
Why was he beating you?
He was demanding 20 times the normal payment. Maybe he has a drug addict.
Small fee, Winston will make sure you don't have trouble with gangsters.
That sounds very reasonable.
Ouais, go faire du shopping.
Want some clothes?
Oh. Ça va pas du tout. Il est trop maigre.
Come again.
Oh, c'est cher, hein.
Excellent.
J'ai presque plus de thunes déjà.
Excellent.
Ah, j'ai une tenue de voyou.
Can I interest you in some better clothes?
De toute façon, j'ai plus de
Call me
thunes.
if you need further help
Get back
with your
to Winston.
wardrobe.
我呢度啲衫全部外地進口，質料上乘啊！料貨平到你唔信，快啲睇下。
Hey, over here. Listen,
Oh, that was awesome, man. All this teen. It's like you were born to do this.
Hey, Jackie!
You want to tell Harry what's going on?
Just keeping an eye on things.
Yeah? What'd you see?
I tell you what I didn't see. Nothing to be impressed about. I'm watching you, new guy. You fuck up?
What? We're gonna throw down? What kind of grade school shit is this, huh? I work my ass off all day, so fuck off and grow up.
Jackie, you're coming with me. We got something to take care of. And you, don't fuck with me.
Don't fuck with me. Je savais plus qu'il y avait des niveaux. Oh, $800.
Can you do me a favor?
Oui.
Probably, yeah. What is it?
Mrs. Chu sent over some lunch, but I haven't paid yet. Can you take this back to the restaurant?
All right.
You might want to hurry. I heard dog guys
All right.
are sending reinforcements.
All right, all right.
Be gone before they get here.
Poussez-vous, poussez-vous les fashion.
Hey, you want food?
C'est par où? C'est par là?
The new guy around?
Purée, j'arrive pas à contrer. Waouh! Une jauge de quoi ça? Ah, j'ai de nouveau des trophées? Parce que j'ai déjà fait sur Play 3. Et comment on fait pour... Ok, ça c'est pas mal.
This is for Susan's lunch.
Thanks.
Donne-moi de la moula. retrouver Winston dans la cuisine. Let's go. Hein.
Theo, are you shitting me? So what'd you do?
Nothing. 真係乜都冇. I came straight to you. Didn't want to start anything major, but without you knowing, you know?
So get this. A couple years ago, this guy Ming came to me and asked me to look out for him while he did business. Special K mostly, but other stuff too. I thought, why not? I take a nice little cut for my boys, no problem. But this week, I sent Jackie here to pick up the envelope, and he tells my boy to fuck off. Apparently, he's friends with Dog Eyes now, so we can all go fuck ourselves.
You want me to make an example out of Dog Eyes?
That Garton is gonna get what's coming in. Right now, I need someone to take care of me.
Ok. Demandez à Quan où se trouve Ming. Oula. Je dirais que je suis bourré. C'est quoi? Sexy man. Qu'est-ce qu'elle veut elle? Concentré d'énergie. J'en veux pas, c'est 30 $, c'est beaucoup trop cher. Pardon. Pardon les fashion.
I'm looking for Ming. You know where he's at?
Yeah, he just passed the food stand around the corner.
Rapport. Ah bah j'ai beaucoup de choses débloquées moi. Ah. Rapport de Winston. Bon, c'est personnage.
You make it up for me tonight, and we got a deal.
吓？我真係要咁做？
Ming, I got a message for you. Stop!
Let's go.
You didn't pay Winston, asshole.
Ah, il fait ça lui? D'accord. Ouais, c'est stylé. Hein. C'est vraiment stylé. Faut que je le chope ou pas? Je peux pas le choper. Désolé pour le bruit. Hein. Je peux pas le choper là. Purée. Comment on fait? J'ai voulu taper sur le portail. Ah, bah, je suis passé à travers le portail. Fucking bitch. Là, on va vers là-bas. Wow. On peut pas te mettre dans la poubelle? Dommage. Si je peux le mettre dans la poubelle. Allez, c'est parti. Ah, ça a bugué.
It's one of Winston's guys. Take him out. Fuck you up.
Fuck you up.
You fucking with the wrong crowd.
Ça bug un peu là. Allez hop, venez, petite frappe là. Wesh, c'est violent de ouf en fait le jeu. Boum. Allez. Ah, merde. Ouais, il fait trop le malin lui. Et qui fait le malin, tombe pas dans le ravin. Il en reste un ou pas? Ah oui, il en reste deux. Là, je confonds le triangle et le rond. Pourquoi ça a pas marché? Triangle. Je peux le choper. C'est bon ou pas? Non, toujours pas? Ça marche pas, triangle. Je vais mourir, moi. C'est bon? Pas passer loin.
Dog Eye's gonna kill you. Fuck Dog Eyes. Winston owns this area. You fuck with us, and you'll regret it. Okay, okay. But please, make sure Dog Eyes doesn't kill me. Fuck.
Oh non, je suis prise en otage par les policiers parce que je suis pas du tout avec la police. Quel dommage.
Wei Sheng, I'm Inspector Tang. You have quite a rap sheet here. Multiple arrests in San Francisco, alleged ties to organized crime, and now you're here, enforcing for the Sun On Yi. You know, you don't have to throw your life away like this.
Your concern's really moving. Yeah, I appreciate that. I'm suddenly realizing I should have never dropped out of art school. I could have made it. I could have been a real somebody. Thank you for showing me the light, officer.
I want to give you a chance, Shen, but you have to work with me. Then maybe I can cut you a deal. Oh, Superintendent, I'm in the middle of an interrogation.
Inspector, there's been a misunderstanding.
Misunderstanding, sir.
As your superior officer, I'm instructing you to release this man.
But sir, I have it on record that he's Sun On Yi.
I understand that.
I can't simply just cut him loose. I mean, you're asking me to release a criminal with known connections to the Triad, and not only is it against
for God's
protocol,
sake, Tang, he's one of us.
What?
Jesus, Pendrew, let me get the door. There are a few badges outside who didn't hear you.
It's all right, Wei. We can trust her.
Trust her? I just met her.
Congratulations, Tang, so now you know. Maybe now we can make sure that we're helping Wei, not making his job harder than it already is, hmm?
Yeah, it doesn't seem like I have much of a choice.
No, you don't. Now see yourself out.
Permission to speak freely.
Denied. You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful. I can't bail you out like this again.
Sir,
I don't want to hear it. Just be careful.
Be careful. Membre du gang, gangster. Aïe aïe aïe. « 270 DX, rapport d'information. D'informateur. Je sais pas lire.
American gangs and Asian ones don't compare to the Triads.
I don't like this cocky little fucker.
You need to be more careful, Wei. Much more careful.
Oh là là. Alors, accéder à la garde-robe. Doit pas être très rempli. Hein. Wow. Pas du tout. Je me suis un peu emporté. Oh putain, c'est serré quand même. Afficher la carte. Ok, je me rappelais plus que c'était aussi grand. Franchement, c'est bien. Hop là. Alors, c'est quoi ça les trucs jaunes là? Ah, c'est ces endroits. Ok. Ben, on va faire un des deux. Hein. C'est parti. Hein. Ça sauvegarde auto, hein, je crois. Hein. Ouais, ça sauvegarde automatiquement. C'est ça. C'est bien ça. Allez prendre votre moto dans le parking. J'ai une moto et tout. Oui, s'il te plaît. Choix de la peinture. Je peux choisir la peinture. Attends. Changer la peinture. Ok. Ouais, bon, on va choisir rouge. J'ai pas trop le choix. Oula. Pardon, excusez-moi. C'est un peu compliqué. Waouh. La conduite est difficile. Brusquement. Ok. Ah oui, c'est vrai, faut conduire à gauche. C'est vrai qu'ici, c'est la conduite est à gauche. Mais... Wow. C'est pas où. Ça conduit pas très bien. Excusez-moi. Oh, la conduite est dégueulasse, hein, vraiment.
Wait, you okay, man? You look like someone took a shit on your face.
Jackie, I'm just a little frustrated, stuck being Winston's errand boy. You know, I was making serious bank back in the States.
Come on, we're just paying our dues. Winston's a loyal guy. He'll hook us up when the time's right.
You can't always wait for the world to hand you what you want. Sometimes you gotta just take it.
Totally, man.
It's time to take a little initiative. We gotta prove ourselves to Winston and the Sun On Yee, or we'll never move up. Is there anything going down in the next few days?
Shit, yeah, there is. Dog Eyes has a big shipment of stolen goods coming in.
Well, it's good for Dog Eyes, but that might be too much or too fast. Last thing I need right now is taking a sticky red pull up my ass.
It's not like that. It's a small deal. Word is there's only a few low-level Londoners looking after it. We boost that shit and give Winston a nice fat cut, he's gonna be mad impressed. No way he doesn't promote us after that.
You'd have to be certain it couldn't be traced back to Winston. Or us.
Sure, of course. They're never gonna know it was us. Unless we get caught.
Well, we won't unless you fuck it up. Come on, get in.
Time to move up in the world.
Alors, qu'est-ce que j'ai fait?
Where'd you get the van?
My uncle's a chop shop around the corner. Call it a stolen ride. I'm thinking I'm gonna get a steady girlfriend.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Oula.
shit.
Pourtant, j'ai fait carré. Hein. Ah ouais, carré, ça fait ça. Ça fait des trucs de fou.
You're not worried that she doesn't want to talk to you?
Hell no. If I let that stop me, I'd never ask anybody out. What about you? Ah!
Pardon, je sais pas trop bien conduire.
Whoa!
Pas au volant. Attention.
Put on this mask. Can't let Dog Eyes boys know it was us. There should only be a few guards.
Keep the engine running.
What the hell?
What the hell?
Come and get me.
Encore? Mais pas tout le temps, moi. Oh, ils sont chiants, eux. Voilà, je vais te foutre dans la poubelle. Allez, hop. À la benne. Venez vers là, là. Allez, contre le... Comment on fait? Bon. Cognop va être bloquer vos attaques. Allez hop. Ça, c'est fait.
There's more of them.
Oula! Calme-toi, toi. Merde, je trompe les touches. Oh là, j'en ai eu deux d'un coup. En fait, quand je fais triangle, il a après un temps d'inattention. Attends, R1? J'ai pas vu. On pouvait sélectionner R1. Ah oui. Je peux pas les empoigner eux. Hein. C'est pas grave, j'ai marave autrement. Il est où le monsieur? Sacrée voiture. Hein. Ça tourne pas trop en fait. Ok. Ouais. Carré, c'est burn-out en fait. Ouais, c'est burn-out. C'est burn-out.
Wait! You got him! Damn, that was crazy, man! We did it! Holy shit!
Ah, faut faire demi-tour.
Check it out! It's raining cavalry out!
That was our big boost? A shipment of cheap watches?
What?
Jackie, he's a fake as fuck.
Holy shit, Tylo, and the cops drive! Wait, drive!
Oula. Putain, je suis en train de détruire ma voiture. Faut que je les seum. Faut qu'ils aient le seum. Petit jeu de mots là. Ok.
I think that's it. Yeah, you're gone.
Ok, ok.
No wonder
La-
there's
wow.
so many criminals in this
Vraiment,
town.
la caméra, elle est vraiment pas avec moi. Hein.
What do you think will happen with Dog Eyes?
I don't know. He's an asshole, guy, but he has friends in high places.
Easy peasy.
Il date de quand ce jeu?
So where's this guy we're meeting?
Il doit dater un peu, hein.
Worry.
Je vais regarder.
You sure you don't want me to stick around?
No, man, I got it under control. So no la.
Alright, your deal.
Hey, wait! You did good out there. Here, take this watch. You earned it.
Great, I finally hit the big time.
Ben, le jeu, il a quand même 13 ans, donc c'est pas mal en fait. $20,000? Mais non. Ah, j'ai des améliorations, c'est vrai. J'avais zappé. Acquisition du smartphone. Les attaques ennemies non armées font moins de dégâts. Les dégâts de toutes les attaques directes augmentés. Oh, moi, je vais augmenter l'attaque. Hein. Direct. Ok. Ok, ok. Très bien. Alors, y a pas un TP par hasard, non? Je peux pas te TP. Job de flic. Belle affaire. On va aller faire la nouvelle affaire, non?
Hey! Hey!
Qu'est-ce qu'il y a, toi? Oui?
What's up?
Hey, you're Song Yi, right? I was racing earlier, and I would have won. But this guy, Tommy Han Lan, he cheated. Ran me
Mais
off
non.
the road at the last minute. Can you teach him a lesson? Keep him from doing it again?
Yeah, sure.
He's not far. Wreck his car. That'll teach him.
Ok. Ouais, mais c'est loin ça. Il me faut une voiture. Prendre ça, non? Sacré son. Ok, je commence à gérer la voiture. Salut! Voilà. Voilà, voilà. Oh, j'ai obtenu de l'argent et tout. C'est pas mal ça. Je peux changer la musique? Je peux pas changer la musique? Ok. Non, c'est pas ce que je voulais faire. Hop, je vais aller là. Tac. Oupsie. Ok, ok. L'ambiance est bonne.
What are you doing here? I'm sure you and Pendrew have a lot of top secret backdoor business to attend to.
Look, I'm sorry about how I acted in there. You know, just playing the part. I'm already out there on the streets. I hear things like this ketamine racket. I'll see what I can dig up. How's that for an olive branch?
You serious? Just like that?
Look, I'll help where I can. What?
I'm just a little shocked. I'm just used to Pendrew's people being more like him.
I just think we'd be better off helping each other. Come on, what do you say?
I could really use the help
Les
if you're
veines,
willing
wesh.
to give in.
All right.
Ben, tu sais où trouver du sang. Je te le dis. Hein. Envoyer un texto à Ming. Winston veut que je m'assure que tout va bien. C'est le cas? Oh, alors on va péter, c'est ça? Retrouve-moi au stand de nouilles du marché. Ok. Ok, ok. Ok. Ah, mais je peux continuer à faire ma vie. Ok. Alors attends, ça se passe comment? Pas mal de choses à faire en fait. Hein. Il y a beaucoup trop de courses de rue dans le coin ces derniers temps. À toi d'intercepter et d'éliminer les véhicules. Ok. de moelle. Purée. Purée de pommes de terre. Mais c'est pire que Rocket League, là. J'arrive pas à jouer avec ça, moi. Oh, c'est trop dur. J'arrive pas à le manier, le bordel. Trop dur. Trop dur. C'est impossible à manier, le bordel. Il est trop dur à manier. C'est... Waouh. La maniabilité du bordel est horrible. Et bon, c'est bon, j'ai compris. On va refaire. Putain, c'est pas par là. Déjà, ça c'est chiant. Purée. Ça devient vraiment chiant. Ah. C'est... Oh, la maniabilité horrible. Ça tourne pas. Ça tourne pas. Ça enlève. Bon, ça c'est fait. Vraiment, je conseille pas la conduite, hein. Bon. Alors, on va aller faire... On va aller faire ça. Quoique ça, c'est plus proche. Et ça, c'est quoi, ça? C'est aussi job de flic? Je sais pas ce que je dois faire. Ça, c'est plus proche. Déjà, quand tu fais marche arrière, ça te met la POV devant toi. On peut pas arrêter? Ah, j'allais... Excusez-moi les fashions. Pardon. Attends, parce que là, il me colle vraiment. Hein. C'était chiant. Allez, pousse-toi. Ah bah c'est bien, je suis juste à côté. Ah bah je suis à côté de cette mission finalement. Bah on va faire celle-ci. Hein. Tant pis. Hein. Tant pis, tant pis.
My man Wei! You done good. You restored order to the night market.
Well, you took a chance on me, Winston. I wanted to make sure it paid off.
You got the right attitude. It's gonna pay off for you. You'll see. You know anything about the minibus racket?
Well, same as everyone. If you want to drive a good route, you pay the toll.
That's right. You know the pickup on Marlboro Drive? The most profitable route in the whole fucking city. From now on, it's yours.
Thanks. I appreciate it, Winston.
Dog Eyes won't. Right now it's his route. But you know how to deal with it, huh?
It'll be my fucking pleasure.
Yeah, I gotta take this. Take a few of the guys with you to back you up.
Let's go.
What's going on?
We're going on offense. Taking over Marlboro Drive. One man per stop. Anybody gives you shit,
Fuck them up.
smack them around, no killing.
What, afraid of little blood?
Dog Eyes is son on Yeet. We're taking the route, not declaring war.
Ganass is fine by me.
Attendez, je fais juste une petite pause, je vais me faire un café. Ça, dans quelques instants. Tac. Et let's go.
I'll take this one.
Good job.
Yeah, kick his ass.
Kick his ass.
Wait, hold on, gun. How come we're going after Dog Eyes? Shouldn't we be fighting 18K? Dog Guy came after us?
J'avais bien compris que c'était tout,
What if Dog Eyes complains to Big Smile?
dérapage.
What if he sends Mr. Tong after us?
Look, dude. Dog Eyes might work for Lee, but Winston answers direct to Uncle Tom. Nobody's going to fuck with him.
Hey, you haven't paid. You stop, we'll beat you.
2 minutes, j'ai même pas le temps de boire. C'est des fous ceux-là, des petits foufous. Ça, je vais te foutre dans le truc de téléphone. Toi aussi d'ailleurs, hein. Allez hop. Ah. C'est pas sur la route. C'est dangereux. Très dangereux.
Alright, you're good with your fist. I'll give you that.
Thanks.
Yeah, we have another guy with us a while back. He was good with his fist too. Came out of nowhere. Good story. Didn't talk much. You remind me of him. A lot. Turned out he was a
Alors,
cop.
je suis désolée de l'apprendre, mais le bouton L2 n'a pas marché pour s'arrêter.
You talk. You know that?
You know what they do to traitors, right?
Faut vraiment changer les
When
freins
Tom
dessus.
is done with them, he buries them alive, 6 feet under. Nobody
feet
coming for
under.
you.
Hey, fuck you, Conroy.
I still think about that poor fucker sometimes.
Let's go.
No, you stay here. I'll deal with this. Watch how a real man does it.
Son of a bitch.
Oh putain, faut rouler en bus là pour le choper. Oh, horrible.
Hey you want this route, you gotta pay for it.
Ah, faut que je le harcèle.
Belongs to
C'est encore pire.
Pull over and I'll tell you about it.
Ça n'a pas tourné.
How about I break your legs and see how you drive then, huh?
I still drive better than you. I finished my road before you finished picking your nose.
J'arrive.
Dumbass peasants from across the border.
J'arrive. Bon, ça va prendre un peu de temps, mais j'arrive.
You gonna do comedy from your hospital bed, pal?
Everybody laughed, but you Walter Street boys. You mess with me and Dog Eyes, it's going to cut you into little.
J'arrive pas à le rattraper.
You want my money? Go ask Dog Eyes for it.
Hey, listen, this route is mine. You wanna drive a Dog Eyes route? Move to one he actually owns.
I don't pay twice for the same route.
You know what? You're taking your life in your own hands. You're gonna pay, funny guy.
I don't pay you. I drive my route.
You're gonna regret this.
Je pense que je l'ai assez harcelé là, non?
Get out of here. I'm taking your passengers.
Okay, okay.
There's a slight problem with your bus, so we're doing a change. Don't worry, people. After a quick change of drivers, we're on our way.
Attendez, hein, parce que la conduite est pas hyper...
This is Dog Eyes World. Little man.
Embouched. Ah, mais c'est un tank le bordel. Vas-y, viens voir. Allez, mais venez là. Soyez pas timide. Ça marche pas. Compliqué, hein. J'arrive pas à le atteindre. Eh ben... satisfaction des passagers. Eh ben c'est nickel. Impeccable. Oh putain, c'est vraiment horrible. C'est horrible. La conduite est horrible. Ouais. J'ai appris que c'est passé, non. Ça va. Monk te fait confiance maintenant. Appelle-le. Ok. Alors, on va sortir de ce taudis là parce que ça va pas du tout. Ça ne va pas du tout. Et on va aller s'acheter des fringues là. J'ai vu qu'il y avait un truc de fringues. Oh my god, carrément. Ah ouais. Mais qu'est-ce que je vais faire avec ça, moi? Incroyable.
Hey, you know where I could get some rhinoceros horn? I don't
Mais
believe in
quoi,
those newfangled drugs they got. But a
quoi
man
ce
hits a
bordel,
certain
là?
age, he needs a little help, you know?
Wesh. Hitman. Incroyable. Pouah. Attendez. Bon, en plus c'est moche, donc...
How you not buying anything? You wearing clothes like
Parce
that?
que c'est cher,
You
frère.
gangsters got no shame these days, or
C'est
what?
trop cher, frère. Toi, qu'est-ce que t'as à me proposer de fun? C'est quoi ces coupes-là? Ça va pas du tout, hein. C'est pas du tout fashion.
That look great on you.
Waouh. C'est démodé, frère. Hein. Faut changer. Hein. C'est vraiment démodé.
Want some clothes? Clothes here.
Ah bah c'est là où j'étais. Ça. Hein.
Nothing you like.
Ok, alors qu'est-ce qu'il y a de plus proche là? On va aller faire ça. Hein. Passer par le marché, je pense. Ah, je pensais qu'il y avait une petite ruelle, quoi. Mais apparemment, non. Noodles. Non, merci.
Shame? You can look better. I promise.
Même si je peux passer par là. C'est du harcèlement. C'est du harcèlement. Eh oui. C'était sûr, il y avait un passage. Ah bah je peux pas passer par le passage. C'est nul. Pourquoi je peux pas passer par le passage? Bien sûr que je peux passer par le passage. Of course I can. $50. Par là. Oh, il pleut.
How's your connect? You getting everything you need?
No, man. I haven't been back to Bobstar since I left Dog Eyes. I'm not sure how he's gonna take it.
Want me to talk to him?
Yeah. I'm just about out. So grab my next shipment and make sure everything is cool.
Aller au repère Popstar sur le terrain de basket. C'est parti. Je vais emprunter une voiture. Hein. Une voiture à peu près normale. Oh, j'étais juste à côté en fait. Oula, pardon.
Hey, is Popstar around?
What would a nice-looking boy like you want with my boyfriend?
Parler à Popstar.
You Popstar? Who's asking? Look, I work for Winston. Dirty Ming's operating in our territory. I want to make sure he's supplied.
Sure, I'll fix him up. But
For what?
I gotta get paid in advance. I'll make it easy for you. A couple of deadbeat junkies owe me money. Guys used to deal for me before they became their own best customer. Collect what they owe me, and I'll hook your man up.
Trouver les camés. C'est parti. Trouver les caméléons. C'est la meuf qui comprend rien.
Who the hell are you?
Bah et toi, t'es qui? Et 2, 1. Ah merde. Pardon, pardon. Il voulait me parler. Je suis désolée. Bon bah maintenant je le défonce. Hein. Tenir le produit auprès de Popstar.
He's okay. One of Winston's guys.
Yeah? Guess Sun On Yee will take on anyone these days.
Acheter la drogue à $400, ça fait beaucoup, hein.
Who's that?
Feng Shen. Best shit in Hong Kong. You got my money?
Got your money.
Here's your package. Tell Ming to stick with girls over 14 this time. It's the cops. Stay cool.
Hey, you two! Come over here!
Let's go!
Stop! You're under arrest!
Wesh. Sommer les flics. Faut que je sème les flics. Au secours. Est-ce qu'il faudrait mieux pas emprunter une voiture? Ça c'est... Quoique, il y a moyen que je les... Je vais essayer de passer par là. Hop là. Non mais je vais les semer, t'inquiète. T'inquiète, t'inquiète. Je vais pas les semer. Il me faut une voiture. Ou une moto là. Je crois une moto. Il a quand même mis un casque. Ça, c'est très bien.
Inspector Tang?
What have you found?
I got enough to bust Popstar, but I also met his supplier, a guy named Feng Shen. Find out where he hangs out, and I'll see if I can get something on him.
I'll get back to you.
Porter la drogue à Ming. Maman. Eh mais laisse-moi passer, c'est pas possible ça. Par là je pense, non? C'est ça. Exactly. Parler à Ming. Ah, qu'est-ce qu'il fait? Il fait de la danse?
Got to stop, right?
Don't worry, I got your stuff right here.
Now I can start making money again.
J'accepte. Ça y est, je monte niveau 1. Amélioration, hein. Ça c'est police. Oh merde. Utiliser un Slim Jim pour ouvrir une voiture sans déclencher l'arme ou briser... Non. Way peut désarmer les piétons armés sans avoir à se battre. Franchement, je préfère ça. Je préfère pouvoir voler une voiture en toute discrétion. Le contact de Popstar traîne souvent au parc. Allez faire une surveillance. Très bien. Et je crois qu'il faut que j'appelle l'autre, non, pour...
Yo, Trent, what you got for me?
I need a sports car. Let me ask the customer the specifics. I'll text them over.
Cherche une Spark, va voir du côté du club Bam Bam. Ok. C'est quel genre d'émission ça? On va aller là-bas. Hein. Je sais pas c'est quoi, c'est une mission secondaire ça? No ID. On va aller voir du côté des trophées. Parce que je l'ai eu à l'époque sur Play 3 le jeu, le trophée platine. Mais pas sur Play 4, alors je sais pas si c'est les mêmes. Une vengeance, donc là c'est tout ce qui est, je pense, lié un peu à les missions principales. Changez-vous complètement avec les vêtements de votre garde-robe ou dans un magasin. Prenez le contrôle d'un véhicule. Bah je crois que c'est déjà fait en fait. Tuer quelqu'un avec un poisson. Terminer une affaire. Ouais, chiant. Gagner 50 000 $ en un seul combat de coq. Ouais, bref, ça viendra au fur et à mesure. De toute façon, là, en ce moment, je suis pas trop dans les platines. Donc, bip, bip, bip. Donc là, je peux crocheter sans avoir, voilà. Sans que ça soit chiant, quoi. Ça, c'est bien. J'ai bien choisi. Je suis contente. Faut que je fasse quoi, là? Faut que je la vole? On va essayer de la voler, hein. Ramener le véhicule au garage. Ok. Pousse-toi voir. Oh, elle était mieux celle-là, hein, la voiture là. La voiture orange. Mais bon. On peut pas avoir tout ce qu'on veut dans la vie. Wesh. On va éviter de trop l'abîmer. Éviter de perdre trop d'argent. Waouh, lui aussi. Moi, j'ai perdu tellement d'argent. 1 million, 1500, j'ai perdu. Waouh. Et ben, je crois qu'on est bien, hein. Je vais la mettre là-dedans. Je pêche une voiture. 37 000. C'est pas mal. Pas trop mal. Bon bah je peux rien faire de plus, hein. Pour accéder à la mission principale, c'est ça quoi. Ou bien on fait un job de flic, on verra bien ce que ça rapporte. On va tester. Bip, 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 bip. Ah, j'en appelle.
Hey, wait. I work for Tran at the chop shop. We noticed you still don't have your own ride. Come by any time if you want to buy a car.
Oh, yeah? How much will that cost me?
Don't worry. We'll give you a good deal. Send on ye never pay full price.
Ok. Achetez les véhicules venant du marché gris si votre niveau de réputation est suffisant. Très bien. Éliminer
PTU
tous
en
les
route,
malfrats.
please stand by.
Ok. Bah, let's go. Venez voir. Ah merde, ok. Ah oui. Ok. Ça c'est fait. Qu'est-ce que tu me fais là? C'est bon là? Ah non, il y en a d'autres. Il y en a d'autres. Allez, meurs. Allez, le dernier. Waouh, le coup qui s'est mangé le jeu. Merde, pardon. Sorry. Sorry. C'est pas foufou, hein. C'est vraiment pas foufou, hein. Bon, il est où le truc? Tout là-haut? Sorry. Ça passe. Débarrassez-vous des malfrats et piratez la caméra de surveillance. Très bien. Putain, mais j'ai plus beaucoup de vie, moi. Je fais trop la faux folle. Heureusement que j'ai fait triangle. Hein. Attendez, on va ramasser ça, ça va aller mieux. Viens voir. Ok, c'est pas passé loin tout ça. Pirater la caméra. C'est vraiment pas passé loin. Et c'est... Ah. 2, 3, 4. Ok. 2, 1, 5, 6. Ça c'est le 5. Impeccable. Utiliser le système de surveillance pour la planque pour coincer le fournisseur. Ok, je vais à la planque. Prendre ma petite moto. Ram, ram. Oula. Juste, c'est quoi ça? Ah, ok. Comme un collectible. Je passe quoi? Activité, c'est ça? Ah oui. Connexion. Faut que j'identifie le fournisseur. C'est lui le fournisseur? Peut-être. C'est lui? Ça m'a indiqué lui. Hein. Je fais ce qu'on me dit. Hein. Ok.
Inspector Tang, this is Wei. Fang Shan is down. Popstar will have to reach out to another supplier. I'm thinking we bag them both at once.
I agree.
Now, if I'm gonna get close to him, I'm gonna need a good disguise. Can you have your people send something over?
All right. Keep me informed.
Got it.
Got it. Ok, donc là, il y a... Oh, il y a qu'une mission. Amanda. Amanda, est-ce qu'on fait encore la mission ou pas? Je ne sais pas. Je ne sais pas, je ne sais pas. Quelle heure est-il? Allez, une dernière mission.
Jackie Ma is a real pest. He came by collecting money for Winston Chu yesterday. That tweet Dirty Ming sold me a jacket and said it was...
Excuse me, do you speak English?
I like to think so. Not enough to get by anyways. You?
Yeah, Wait, what do you mean? Oh, yeah, I speak English.
I kinda guessed. What can I do for you?
I'm looking for this place, Old Temple Academy. I thought it was around here. It's supposed to be a kung fu school, but I'm totally lost. I have no sense of direction.
Yeah, I think I know where it is. I mean, it's not too far. I can give you a ride. I mean, it'll be easier than explaining where it is.
Okay, yeah, that'd be really great. My name's Amanda, by the way. Or Amy. Either one is fine.
Oh, nice to meet you, Amy. I'm Wei.
Ils vont être amoureux, je pense.
You have a car in here?
Oui.
So what brings you to Hong Kong?
Et tu lui offres pas de casque. Non mais ça va pas ou quoi?
No, I just finished college. And I'm doing a bit of traveling. You know, figuring out what to do with my life, that sort of thing. Please don't do that!
Bah écoute, c'était lui qui était devant moi.
Wait, you're scaring me!
Mais non.
I've only been traveling for a few weeks, so...
So this is the Bam Bam Club.
Back home I saw a restaurant that looked a little bit like this.
Don't let the locals hear you say that.
Well, I've only been traveling for a few weeks, so no real progress on the life front. But I'm checking out Hong Kong for a while. What about you? You got it all figured out?
I wouldn't say that. I got a few family issues I'm working on clearing up. Maybe once that's dealt with, I'll get on to figuring out life.
Oh yeah? You got any pointers?
Well, the trick to Hong Kong is learning to live by ancient Chinese wisdom. Look, both.
Wow. This is a pretty cool place for a kung fu school.
Unfortunately, the school isn't in the temple. Well, not that temple, anyway.
Didn't they use this temple as a backdrop for, what was it, Fists of Carnage?
No, it was using the grandfathers of the Shaolin Fist. Look both ways before crossing the street. Always buckle your seatbelt and only apply makeup at red lights. Don't text and drive, you know, that kind of thing.
Words to live by.
La meuf quand même, elle va avec un inconnu aléatoire sur sa moto faire le tour de la ville. Attendez, parce que là la moto, c'est un peu carnage. Ah, c'était dans la ruelle qu'il fallait aller. Ok.
Isn't this school supposed to be in a temple?
Can I help you?
Yeah, I'd like to sign up for some kung fu classes. I read about your school in my guidebook.
Your guidebook.
Yeah, it said you teach a style with a long lineage, but in spite of all that, it's still considered very effective.
You want to take classes, okay. And you? Did you also read about this place in some book?
Well,
Wait. I know you.
Yes, Sifu Kwa. I used to be your student. I'm Wei Shen.
Yes. The one who went to America. So you brought this girl back with you. Your skill level with girls, very good. Now time to assess your skill level in Kung
Oh, je suis
Fu.
morte. C'est marrant. Pas mal ça.
I see time in America has rusted your senses.
Oh, ça c'est cool ça. Je suis trop rapide.
All men must lose sometimes. Not to American football. Your shame is glorious to behold.
try to steer them in the right direction, especially the younger ones. But they all want to be Songong Yi. Now I just train them in the ways of my art. Try to teach them compassion and discretion, and pray for the best.
Sifu, I don't think there's much more you can do. Oh, Jade Rat. The Song Dynasty, right?
Very good.
The Song Dynasty? That's like 1,000 years old or something. That's real?
Part of a set of 12. One for each animal of the Chinese calendar.
Sifu, you used to have the whole set. What happened to the others?
Stolen. By a former student. Corrupted by the Triads.
I'm so sorry to hear that, Sifu.
So was I. This collection meant a lot to me. But sometimes you just have to let things go. I should close up. It was good to see you again, Wei. And your lovely fiancé.
What?
Okay, that was fun. What do you want to do now?
I need to get home, but I will definitely call you later.
T'as même pas son numéro, frère. Par les garages. Numéro d'Amanda, vêtements de sport, biographie de Wei Xian. Ah bah c'est bon, j'ai son numéro. Ok, ça c'est quoi? Camion est un déguisement, vous attendent devant le terrain de Popstar. On compte sur vous. Bah c'est nickel. Je vais m'arrêter là. Je vais sauvegarder quand même. Oula, j'ai failli charger, j'ai failli faire une dinguerie. Mais tu n'es pas la PlayStation 4, une PlayStation 5, c'est grave. Bon, et ben voilà. Sur ce, on va s'arrêter là pour ce matin. Alors je sais pas, peut-être je reprends l'aventure cet après-midi. Sinon ça sera demain. Il n'y a pas de souci. Voilà, merci à toutes et à tous d'avoir regardé le live, ça fait plaisir. Bon appétit à vous. Et des bisous. Ciao ciao.